Struggling with mystery pains that seem to come out of nowhere? Do you ever wake up with unknown body aches? That's what I was dealing with. I finally realized the problem was my old pillow. It just couldn't keep up. It left my neck and back aching every morning. I tried 4, maybe 5 other pillows, all promising the world but delivering nothing. Then I found the Cloud Lab pillow. Created by top doctors and chiropractors, it's just what I needed. Whether I lie on my back, side, or stomach, it supports me all night long. It's like sleeping on a cloud. The design is simple but genius. Soft where I want it, firm where I need it. I wake up refreshed, full of energy, ready to take on the day. No more restless nights, just sweet, uninterrupted sleep. And with the 90-day guarantee, there's nothing to lose. Visit the Cloud Lab website and order now to wake up energized and pain-free every morning.